Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 9th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Another fairly slow day overall. I mean, the market was waiting for the FOMC meeting minutes, and it was a dud, really. Came out, and it continues to leave traders guessing. Didn't give us any sort of direction as to which, what the Fed plans to do with rates going forward. So by the end of the session, the Dow was higher by 181 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 26. The Nasdaq 100 up almost 80 points, and the Russell 2000 was higher by nearly 7 points. So the first set of gains in the past three sessions. Bond market did pull back today, and the yield on the 10-year note settles at 1.579%. Crude oil was flat despite the military action in Syria, as well as rising crude inventories, while gold managed to gain $8.10 at the official close, or a little over half a percentage point. US dollar slightly higher against the CAD here, and slightly, pretty much flat for the dollar index. Now, want to take a look at StarBUX here. StarBUX, ever since putting in this all-time high of 99.72 back in late July, has been dropping, and still looks like there's some room to go. But if we look at the longer-term chart, still looks fairly positive. I mean, we do have momentum higher here on the weekly and definitely on the monthly. So this looks to be just a near-term retracement before a continuation of that trend. But where may it find support? That's the big question. I think the easiest way to do this and determine this is to bring up the weekly chart, take our Fibonacci retracement tool, and take the major low and high here. And let me just lock that in. There it is. And you can see that 38.2% retracement level comes in right around 80. That is that next level of support. So that is definitely an area to watch for a bounce in StarBUX. Now we're sitting around 85. Another 5-point drop would be totally fine. And earnings are due out on the 31st of October. So if we get a fairly quick drop here, we could see a bounce heading into earnings and an opportunity there for the next play on StarBUX. So keep that on your watch list, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.